Hey guys, here is a 52-inch Tatung Emperor ceiling fan in antique brass. There's really not too much to say about this fan. It's a pretty basic Emperor fan. 4 cane blades with the oak color on them. Has all the fancy ornate parts to it. But I actually got this fan today. I went to 2 habitats today and struck out both times. And on the way home, very close to my house, I saw this sitting under a bunch of couch cushions on the side of the road. So I stopped. It was on a pretty busy road too, so I had to take my time. So I got the fan. Was missing the down rod and mounting bracket. And that actually came with a light kit. It's right here. It's just an ugly 3 turtle fitter. Pull chain was broken, so I'm assuming that's why they threw it out. And I actually think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think this light kit was actually original to the fan. Reason why I say that is because the blue wire did not have a wire nut connecting it to the oh damn it, sorry. There was no splices, put it that way. There was no splices for the light kit. It was just all one wire. So I'm not 100% sure what the story was, but I have my suspicions that the light kit was not original. Or original to the fan. Sorry, I can't talk today. Anyway, we'll start it up. Here's low speed. Fan buzzes and hums, but it still works nonetheless. Fan's in pretty rough shape too. It's really rusty. Bearings don't sound the best, and some of the cane inserts are falling out of the blades. That's the low speed it has. It's medium. Gets going only a little bit faster. Now it starts to wobble. Throws out a nice breeze though. And then we'll go to high speed. Now it really starts to wobble. But it gets going. Some of the blades are kind of jacked up. Stop the blades. See, it's in pretty rough shape. See the cane's all. There's the one. Yeah, it's coming out of the blade there. This is a Tatung. It says it up here. Made in Taiwan. I'm not really sure of the year on this fan. If I look a little bit closer, I'm sure I'd find it. But it's pretty dirty too. But yeah. Not really a big Emperor person. I'm really not a big fan of him, but still a decent performing fan, you know. But it was free when I saw it on the curb, so really had no excuse not to get it. But that's about it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.